everyone, and welcome to Biswanath Karbi Life. Today we are here at Arboretum Cuff Center, and the grooming session has been going on for the 9th edition of Miss Karbi Anglong. And we have just finished a talent round, and we have able to witness a lot and different type of talent by the ladies as well as the kids. So let us ask Mr. Gautam Terang, who is the president of Kajir Memorial Talent Hunt Kajir Rahangpi Memorial Talent Hunt Society, that how has been going on and how many participants are there and so on.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank first Biswanath Karbi Life. 9 Miss Karbi Anglong 2023 pinning pen ke pangcheng lo 9 an edition an lo la pen nilitu malong to tell Miss participants labang ke 13 contestant do Miss abang ke la pen de kids abang ke total contestant 14 sido la pen de anikan wang son litum pinning thak sabo unique paklangi tum do anikan wang kidam tang an pinning bang ke sabo unique paklang ponji do nilitum ke chengsi bang ke lalo nilitum penap isi step ke deng ponji la ke charity labang ke distribute food lahai la pen food la pen choi peri la ki 2 lak tum bhan hospital long tamela ki sokyun e tum bhan pina bangla so a program charity program bang tum pina deng pon po niltum la kazirong hangpi memorial talent hunt society in pen la pen te la so long nang sirap duni ke la non ki do miss la participants mate contestant tum alang litum ahin pen dame wan po la ki chu hormu ki chu ki jon hormu ta alang litum ta la charity long mate la ki 2 lak tum bhan pipon po pajir pon po la so logot nili tum ahin pen ji patir pipon po la pente non angkile ji grand finale ke lagadak matipung langkung habe auditorium hall along apor la bange baji thom ben si pangcheng bonji la solong manpeng aluhi nang chitong dunji ake hai sir Dr. Tuliram rong hangsi alang lisi nang tomlong manpeng aluhi mate chief guest ahin benang chitong dun po bosin tum bhan lamchak nang pidun lo la pente non la so program ki pachun ji yalong kadu gawe sponsorship atum do nil tum long pinang anang nang cherap tum do pining bang ke chengsi la price an mokha bang nil tum lan sponsorship do ke chengsi bang ke hemari crew la bang ke la ice accountant churu lo lang li banda la pente mongol sing rong hang la bang ta lang li nil tum bhan sponsorship do lo ani ke me production hin pen se alang li tum da churu lo la pente kadu gawe la kids ahin pen ta la Karbi restaurant pudo tara langsu alang li tum asi sponsorship pidon lo kids category price long bangke asi churu lo kadu kawi la sponsorship tum do an phanta la bende irisi ako kachuning ritu kangtung a lo non angkele ji grand finale ya hut Karbi Anglong atok anu tum ta do an sita nili tum la ke pachun thekji phan nang chirap nang chitudun peji phansi nili tum kazirong hangpi memorial talent hunt society ahin bensi mane churu pon mane chuning ri pon lo kadu kawi nang chirap nang chitudun ji la sorni phan.
Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, we have able to know that the ladies are not only talented but also very much giving, as we will be witnessing tomorrow that they will be going out in a medical college and they will be providing them goods and clothes. So let us ask him that in Miss Karbi Anglong, are only Karbi ladies allowed, not any other tribe, and how many like from various type of region are they also invited here or they are not? So let us know.
First of all, thank you for asking me the question. So it is such a great initiative taken by Kajirong Hangpi Late Memorial Talent Hunt, because in this talent hunt, it is not only for one culture but also the mixed culture, the all culture residing here in Karbi Anglong. Here there's different kind of culture together, showing their talent, their beauty, and they come here to stand as one with peace and harmony. So it is such a great initiative taken, and I thank you for it. And yeah, that's all.
So ladies and gentlemen, the finale night is on 29th, so we'll see you there. Kardom.